Alrighty guys, this is third time trying to make a video today. It's Noah coming back at you with the market morning recap. Today is August 1st, 2019. I guess my mic was off on the second one. The first one, my internet was too slow to load anything. But still too slow, so I have to stay on this tick. I'm running like 1800 ticks right now, tick chart. Well, yesterday was a big day for the market. It was a Fed rate cut. It was a cut about 0.25%, which was the first cut since the recession of 2008. Which, whenever a few large cuts, let me try to change out my tools. Maybe this will work. But as you can tell, yesterday there was a huge pullback in the market. Whenever there's a huge news release, especially like a Fed cut or any big news release that can affect the market, I try to stay out of the market about 45 minutes, 30 minutes before the news release. And during the news release, I don't like trading. It's too volatile, too much volume. You don't want to get whiplash. You don't want your stops to keep getting hit, because that's what happens whenever you trade during something like that. But as you can tell, it was iffy up here, and then this is when the Fed release came out. There was a couple short opportunities right here. I stayed away from it, but right here would have been a good one. Here, let me try to go to this. Right here would have been a good one. Had the nice bearish candle right here. It was setting up new low highs up here. It tried going up for a triple top, but it failed. It came out right here. This candle overlapped it. Big bearish movement. So after that, it had a nice leg all the way down. You could have got this runner and made some money off that nice runner. It went about from 330.12 all the way down to 29. What was it? Yeah, let me see. Let me zoom out. Yeah, 29.58. I was pretty sure it was that. I just wanted to be sure. But it was just moving under the 20 moving average, which, I mean, it just tanked. It just tanked. That's the reason why I don't like being in there, because, I mean, look how fast this moved so quickly, you know? Definitely no buying opportunities at this moment. Definitely would not have been buying anything. I like waiting about 30 minutes, 40 minutes even after. I mean, the news release, like right here, of course you can make some money off it, but I mean, I like to stick to my rules, discipline, you know, don't want to get greedy. Yeah, there might be some big runners and some opportunities to make a lot of money, but I've learned it's just not worth it, because you don't know what can happen. The market moves so quick in these moments that your stop losses can get hit 1 second, and then it just go right back up to the trade that you wanted, but you didn't make any money because it hit your stop loss, because the volatility of it is insane. Maybe when it settled down, there were some opportunities to get in. But overall, after that, it was around 2 o'clock. It was after 2 o'clock, so I didn't want to do any trading. Not much volume. After that, I like trading in the morning. It pretty much dies down. But today, pretty sure I was sure about a rebound. It's just, it rode the 20 moving average all morning. It's been a nice trend up, trying to fill in that gap, because the market loves averaging out. You know, when it's pulled all the way back down here, look how far it's off the 50 moving average. Of course, it's going to rebound and try to average out. That's what it's like doing. But yeah, today's just been a tank of a day, back up to the high of yesterday. And ever since as soon as the market opened, it's just been running off the 20 moving average. Tons of great trading opportunities here this morning. Tons of them. This is honestly one of my favorite kind of trading ranges or trading days right here. Are off these moving averages. Whenever it's trading above the 20, you want to buy. Whenever it's trading below the 20, you want to short. Now, as you guys know, I'm not much of a shorter, and I gotta start shorting more. But this would be an opportunity where, you know, that shorting comes into play is on a trend like that off the moving average. Or when a failed breakout, because most breakouts fail anyway, so failed breakouts another good shorting opportunity. But today it's just been, the bulls have been running this market back up. So yeah, today would have been a nice day to get on a pullback. You could have made you could have made a few ticks, that's for sure. Even if you're like me, you only want to trade for 10 minutes or hold 10 minutes at a time. It's a great moment to get in. It was a great day to get in. All these bounces off the 20 moving average. Go more into it. I just have to meet somebody in a couple minutes. Like I said, this is the third video I made today. The other ones are probably more detailed and longer, but this one's going to be a little bit short. I apologize. But yeah, overall today's been a good market. It's kind of slowed down right now. It's about 1 o'clock, so I'm just going to watch it. I got to work at 4. I'm going to come at it tomorrow, see how it is, see what the market does. Hopefully make a trade tomorrow, hopefully make some cash. That's what we're all here for. Well, that's the end of the video. Sorry for making it so short today, but that's all. Keep trading.